Alright, so this is our empty closet. Here comes the magic. So excited. There's one of our boards. We have 3 boards. Super excited. My hard-working husband.
Alright. Come on, no camera, please.
I love you.
So this is my wife's shelves. This is her progress so far. She's just using a gel stain.
Alright, so this is the final look of our closet with nothing in it. I think it turned out pretty good. So this is like, it's 12 inches, so you can see like the distance with like my hand of how big it is. Wow, my hand's like huge. But I'm really excited. Now I just gotta start putting the clothes in it. We're gonna have another clothes rack, like either on this side or on this one. Or I might just put a mirror here. I haven't really decided. But, yep. There we go.